How's it going, guys? I have here the HP Envy X2. It's been about 2 weeks since I upgraded this computer to Windows 10. I kind of wanted to get familiar with Windows 10 before I can give you guys my opinions and thoughts on what things I like, what things I hate about Windows 10. So let's start here by showing you guys the unlock screen. When you type the password and all that, and then we're gonna take a complete look at pretty much everything that changed about Windows 10. I'll give you guys my honest opinion, but so far I'm not very happy with Windows 10 and I might go back to Windows 8.1. So let's go ahead and start right now. Okay guys, let's start taking a look here at the lock screen. And also after we pass the lock screen, so a couple of things that change here. It's the icons. Take a look at the icons there in the corner for the Wi-Fi and the battery. They look different. I wouldn't necessarily say that they look better, just a different look. The other thing too, it's when you unlock past this screen right here, swipe. This is kind of different right now. We have this Windows logo here. The picture seems to be bigger. And we see here icons too. So let's go ahead and unlock, type the password, and take a first look at the actual Windows screen. So I already typed the password, click on enter here, and we should see here the main screen in a moment. So there is the main screen. Now let's go ahead and take a look at everything here that changed. Alright guys, so we're going to start doing screen recording here. Please disregard the circle that you're going to see around the icon. That had nothing to do with Windows 10. It's just something from the screen recording software that I'm using. As well as right here, disregard the watermark. So let's go ahead and start here by showing you first all the icons that we have on the bottom. First, right here, we have the access to Windows. If we tap right there, we're going to see this. This is going to give you access right here on the very left to all apps, power, settings, file explorer. Then we see alarm and clock, calculator, people, get started. And these are the most used applications. And then right here we see live at a glance. It gives you kind of like a preview here of some of the apps that are part of your tiles and all that. Now let's go back here. Let's click on all apps. When I click there, this is gonna display right here all the different apps in alphabetical order. Everything that is under the letter A, the letter C, and so on and so on. So you can just scroll through these and access whatever you want to access. Click back here. The next one is power. When we click there, we're going to get the option to restart, shut down the computer, or put the computer in the sleep mode. The next one is settings. When we click there, this is basically going to take you to the main settings of the computer. Now let's go ahead and exit here. And let's go back here. The next one is a file explorer, which we also see right here. So I'm not going to click on that. So this is what you get right here when you first click on the Windows icon right there. The next one right here, it's Cortana. Now the computer comes with, or the Windows 10 offers the Cortana Assistant, which, you guys know how it works. You can just talk to it. It's going to give you information and all that. And it's added right here to your bottom task, manager task bar, or whatever you call it. Now we're looking here right now at the desktop mode. We're going to get to the tablet mode in a moment, but let's keep looking here at the icon. So this icon right here is basically kind of like a multi-window. You can see how many windows you have open and switch between them. So let's go ahead and, for example, open right here the file explorer. So if I tap right here, we can see that I have two windows open right now, File Explorer and the access to Google Chrome. I can switch between them, so I can click right here. That's gonna open Google Chrome, or I can go back here and click here, and that's gonna open right here if I tap on the File Explorer. So as many windows as you have open, you can go ahead and use this task view right there. Let's go minimize this and keep going. The next one right here, it's the Microsoft Edge. I'm gonna click right here just to show you guys quick. This is not gonna be our full review on the Explorer, but just to show you how it looks like now. It's supposed to be really fast. I've been testing it, and to be honest with you, it actually opens everything very quick. So you're gonna get here my new feeds. It's gonna be powered by MSN. It's gonna give you all kind of feeds, information about the weather, news, you know, whatever you want to add here. You can also add social medias and things like that. So when you open the page, you get access to all this information, as you can see, including Flipboard. So let's go back here. There is the search or enter a web address. Right here is your profile picture. Right here we get the back and forth refresh. You can exit, you can add a tab, and then right here it's the access to your favorites. Let's get out of there. Looks like you can also add some notes right here, and you get the minimize and the X right here, and here's kind of like a settings option for the page. You can control the zoom and do a couple of other things and get access to the main settings. I might do another full review on this later because it's interesting, but that was just to show you guys now. This one I already showed you. It's a File Explorer access. This one right here is give you access to the Windows Store. This is gonna give me access here to my HP Utility Center. Right here it's Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and so right here on the right corner we get access to other tools, access to other applications or options. The first one right here shows you some icons right here. Some of these are related specific to my computer here, some settings. The next one here shows you the battery. So when you hover over, it shows you the remaining time. It's showing 3 hours, 6 minutes, 35% remaining. Now, if you double tap the battery, it shows you right here more information. Now, from this point, you can click right here to control the brightness. So if we tap right there, it goes between 25, 50, 75, and 100% now. Let's leave it at 50%. Right here is showing battery saver. I can tap right there, and it's gonna turn on or off a battery saver. Now the next one here, it's the Wi-Fi. The next one here, it's let's go ahead and exit that. The next one here is the volume, and this one right here, it's notification. Kind of looks like a text message icon. So if you tap right there, this is going to show all the different notifications that we have here. Anything from, there are updates available from emails, messages, you know, and all that. So as you can see, I'm receiving notifications about emails right here. And there are a couple notifications from other things right here on top. So you can go ahead and click there to access. You can clear all. You can collapse. Now from this point, when I click there, that's going to give me access to change to a tablet mode. You get the connect. I believe you can connect the computer to another device. There's again the brightness option, the airplane mode, rotation lock, battery saver. Here's the access to the Wi-Fi networks. You can access Node, VPN, quiet hours, all settings, Bluetooth, and you can turn on and off location. The next one here, let's go ahead and collapse this. The next one here, it's the touch keyboard. And the next one here, it's access to change the time and the date. Now, I'm going to swipe with my finger, guys, here on the right corner from the screen. And this is gonna give me access right here. If I tap on tablet mode, we're gonna see now the tablet option with all the tiles. So, you know, basically this is the live tiles that Windows 8 or 8.1 used to offer. A couple of things that I can tell you that I don't like. I don't like, before I was able to go to the right to get access to all the different tiles. Now you have to scroll down, and it mixes together here part of the settings of the computer together with your apps. There was a way to just scroll up in order to see some of the settings and not show everything. Right now it's everything all together. Of course, you know, you can hard press on any of these. For example, if I hard press right here, that's going to give me the option to unpin it. And then if I tap right there, you can do small, medium, or turn live, on and off live tiles. So for example, if I want to unpin this, let's click right there. It's gone. And let's go back here. Let's go ahead and try to resize this one here. And let's go ahead and do small. That's actually medium. So that's small. And there is a medium. Other than that, I mean, I don't know. I find some things to be kind of difficult. Like before, I used to just swipe and being able to control manually the brightness, control the battery and all that. It feels like everything right now has to be either I don't know, like you need to, like if I want to restart the computer, I have to press right here. It's not doing anything right now because I'm in the tablet mode. So I have to swipe here, turn off tablet mode, and get access right here, and click right there in order to restart or turn off. Before, I was able to swipe from this side right here, from the right side, just click on restart, boom, it will restart right away. Guys, I don't want to make this video too long, but basically, this is, you know, the first look here at Windows 10. One thing that I noticed, and let me go back here to the Windows, the tablet mode. As you can see here in the desktop mode, I have opened here the Google Chrome. Now, go back here to the tablet mode. Now I'm going to access, for example, Google Chrome here. And it's going to open a new tab or a new page. Now, if I click right here, this is going to show me the tab that I had opened before and another tab. So it should take me, I would assume it should take me to the tab that I already had opened rather than open a new section of Google Chrome. That's one thing I noticed. Let me exit here. And let's go ahead and open here, for example, Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge, and you know what? It's probably doing that with the Google Chrome because I don't have that set up as my default browser. But with the Explorer, it does take me to the page that I already had opened. So if I exit right here, access to tablet mode. Let me go ahead and collapse this. Access right here. It's taking me to the Internet Explorer. I'm gonna do a quick search just to show you guys how open it opens everything. So for example, actually let's go ahead and click on some of the news here. Let's click on this here, and I think it opens things quick. Let's go ahead and add a tab here. And let's click right here, for example, on Yahoo. And there is Yahoo. So pretty quick. And there's again the option for the task manager. So there you have it, friends. Again, this is a look here at the Windows 10. So far, I find it not as quick and as easy to do things as I was able to do it with Windows 8.1. Overall, performance-wise, I don't think it's doing bad. I think it's, doing probably a little bit better. Just the look and the access to things, especially, the fact that I have to click here on the Windows Tasks Manager in order to restart, or I have to turn on and off the tablet mode by clicking right here, when before you were just able to click on desktop. Makes it, to me, kind of like extra work for certain things. But this is just my opinion. So there you have it, friends. Again, this is a quick look here at Windows 10 on the HP Envy X2. Alright guys, so there you have it. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more. Share the video if you don't mind, to help others. If you enjoyed the video, like it. Final thoughts, like I said, I'm not 100% sold on Windows 10. It's just my opinion. I might go back to Windows 8.10. Thank you guys, and I will see you on the next one. See you later.